Good afternoon, students. So last class discussed about the bandwidth in series resonant circuit and also lower cutoff frequency, higher cutoff frequency, and some problems on that one. Now we go for the parallel resonance topic. In parallel resonance topic, let us consider a parallel circuit with a applied voltage is Vs and a practical inductor and practical capacitor. Practical inductor means a pure inductor in series with internal resistance of inductor, and a pure capacitor in series with internal internal resistance of a capacitor. That is nothing but a practical inductor and practical capacitor must be connected in parallel with the voltage source. Now we can derive this practical inductor, practical capacitor. We have to derive the resonance frequency formula. So we know that in parallel circuits, so we prefer admittance, not impedance. In series circuit, you have to prefer impedance, but coming to the parallel circuit, you prefer admittance of a given circuit. Generally, admittance of a given circuit is conductance plus susceptance. But we know that here resistance and inductive reactance XL, resistance and inductive capacitive reactance XC. For that one, so y is equal to inverse of impedance, that is y equal to 1 by z, that is equal to 1 by r plus jx. So now y1 is nothing but 1 by rl plus jxl. So that when we cross multiplying rl minus jxl by rl minus jxl, so y1 is equal to rl minus jxl by rl square plus xl square. Another one, so this is termed as y2. Y2 is nothing but practical capacitor branch. So now y2 is equal to 1 by rc minus jxc. Now rationalize that one. 1 by rc minus jxc multiplied with rc plus jxc by rc plus jxc. Now y2 equal to rc plus jxc by rc square plus xc square, put as equation 2. Then generally you have to separately calculate each branch admittance and then combine to completing. So y is equal to y1 plus y2. Sum of equation 1 and equation 2, that is nothing but RL minus JXL by RL square plus XL square, RC plus JXC by RC square plus XC square. So now separate the real parts and imaginary parts. RL plus RL square plus XL square plus RC by RC square plus XC square plus J times of XC by RC square plus XC square minus XL by RL square plus XL square. We know that at resonance condition, so reactance part must be cancelled to each other. That is nothing but purely at resonance condition the circuit behaves as a purely resistive circuit. That's why, so in this total admittance equation, put imaginary part equal to 0. That is nothing but, so xc by rc square plus xc square minus xl by rl square plus xl square equal to 0. So xc by rc square plus xc square, that is equal to xl by rl square plus xl square. We know that xc capacitive reactance, that is 1 by omega naught c ohms. A similar manner XL omega L ohms. Substitute these two formulas in the above equation. So 1 by omega naught c by rc square plus 1 by omega naught c square, omega naught L by rl square plus omega naught L square, and cancel this one. So on the rest this one, omega naught c by rc square, omega naught square c square plus 1 by omega naught L by rl square plus omega naught square L square, and cross multiplying to each one. Before that one, cancel to omega naught. So rl square omega naught square L square into c, rc square omega naught square c square plus 1 whole into L. Then from that, taken as common factor as omega naught square equal to cl square minus rc square lc square equal to L minus rl square c. Therefore omega naught square equal to L minus r square lc by cl square minus rc square lc. From this equation, so you have to take common factor as LC. So in denominator, taken as common factor as LC, that is nothing but 1 by LC into here L minus, so r square rc square. So similar manner above in the denominator also taken as common factor as LC. So for that one, so total 1 by LC into RL square minus L by C, RC square minus L by C. C must be cancelled to each other. So therefore omega naught equal to 1 by root LC RL square minus L by C by RC square minus L by C. But we know that omega naught is nothing but 2 pi F naught. From that one, F naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC square root of RL square minus L by C by RC square minus L by C. Stop here. Pause. So another one is, another case, practical inductor and fixed capacitor. Whereas in former one, practical inductor and practical capacitor, but coming to the practical inductor and fixed capacitor, so this is also known as tank circuit. So very important for BTech point of view. So derive the frequency response analysis for tank circuit. So that like that. So this is a fixed capacitor, not a practical capacitor. That's why eliminate the resistor. Practical inductor in the sense pure inductor in series with the resistor, and a fixed capacitor is nothing but only capacitor must be there. This combination must be connected in parallel to the voltage source with a supply frequency of F8. Now calculate the individual admittance parameters. So separately for each branch, Y1 is equal to, so 1 by RL plus JXL, that is rationalize the RL minus JXL by RL minus JXL. Therefore Y1 is equal to RL minus JXL by RL square plus XL square. Now coming to the second branch, only fixed capacitor is there, so that's why Y2 is equal to 1 by minus JXC. So that is nothing but here Y2 equal to 1 by minus JXC. So this is equation 2. Now the combination of total admittance is equal to individual branch admittances, that is Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2. So that is equal to RL minus JXL by RL square plus RL square plus XL square 1 by minus JXC. So that is equal to RL by RL square plus XL square minus J term XL by RL square plus XL square plus 1 by XC. 1 by XC. So now this is the total admittance of a given tank circuit. Now at resonance condition, the circuit behaves as a pure resistive circuit. That's why, so the inductive reactance and capacitive reactance must cancel to each other. That's why we have to put imaginary part equal to 0 for the above equation. So at resonance, imaginary part equal to 0. So that is XL by RL square plus XL square plus 1 by XC equal to 0. It implies put XL is equal to omega naught L and XC equal to 1 by omega naught C in the above equation. So omega naught L by RL square plus omega naught L square equal to minus 1 by omega naught C. So omega naught L RL square plus omega naught square L square equal to omega naught C. So omega naught cancel. RL square plus omega naught square L square equal to L by C. So omega naught square L square equal to L by C minus RL square. So here minus will be there. So minus so omega naught square equal to RL square minus L by C by L square. So omega naught equal to square root of RL square minus L by C by L square. So that is put omega naught is equal to 2 pi F naught. So F naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi root RL square minus L by C by L square head. So this is the resonant frequency of a tank circuit. So thank you. To see this video, please subscribe the DBS Talks.